A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to all of you to today's class. Before starting the class, let's do Brahmanath. Om Santi Santi Santi. So dear students, in the previous class we have read Unit 1 of the chapter After 20 Years. Today we are going to read Unit 2 of the same chapter. Now let's see, listen, in today's class we are going to discuss half of the Unit 2. In the next class we will complete Unit 2. Okay, so Unit 2 will be taught in 2 classes. So listen, so in Unit 1 the theme was, there was a police officer and he was 40 years old but he was calling himself as a boy. And what was he doing? He was doing his usual duty, usual patrolling duty, but his brain was thinking of an image, of a sketch. And what was the sketch? The sketch was a person who was a notorious one, okay? And he was doing some illegal work. And what was the illegal work? The illegal work was he was printing fake note, fake currency. That was the crime. But even when he himself was belonging to police department, still that person was not free, he was not arrested by police, and even his name was not known to anyone, even to the police department. That's why he was feeling ashamed of it. Understood? And it was 10:15, but the policeman was thinking of 10:30, something must be there in 10:30. And when he was also thinking that I have to go a long way, and when he was thinking it, he noticed that there was a figure which was standing in between 2 lampposts. Means in the 2 lampposts the man was standing. There was darkness. There is a hardware store, and in front of that hardware store that man was standing. So the police officer approached nearer that man, and when the police officer approached nearer that man thought that he was standing in the darkness. So it may create some doubt in the mind of the police officer. That's why he from his side started speaking. Hello officer, nothing to worry, I am just waiting for my friend and it is an appointment fixed before 20 years. And the police officer was going to shake his hand, but he stopped himself. And what did he do? He just let the other man to do the same. In the meantime, the man who was standing in front of the hardware store, he just lighted his cigar. And in the dim light, the police officer was able to take a glimpse of his face. Okay, this much was taught to you in Unit 1. Now let's discuss Unit 2. Listen, suppose you have been separated from your friend before a number of years, and when you meet, what will you ask? Definitely will ask, how are you, where are you, how is the family, you got married or not, you have kids or not, etc, etc. Yes or no? So all these are the common questions, social questions we do ask to our best friend. So here something might be there might be 2 best friend meeting, because that man was waiting for his friend. With his friend, the appointment was fixed before 20 years, and right now he was standing there to meet his friend. So what is going to happen? What is the conclusion? What is the climax of the story? Let's read. 20 years tonight, said the man, I dined here. Dine means what? Dine means to take dinner. Okay? Dine means here to take dinner. Understood? Dine. And here, listen, this one is written in past form. D-I-N-A-D is written. Okay, because he had taken. So the man is speaking that before 20 years at this place there was a restaurant, Brady's restaurant, and the police officer had also told him that is before 5 years it was being turned down. Okay, and that man was speaking that before 20 years on this day I with my best friend, say the man, I dined here at Brady's with Jimmy Wells. And who is the person? What's the name of his friend? His friend's name was Jimmy Wells. Okay, Jimmy Wells was the name of that unknown person's friend. Okay, my best chum means friend. Okay, and now the stranger is speaking. Before 20 years, I, along with my best friend, what's the name of his best friend? Jimmy Wells. Along with my best friend Jimmy Wells, took dinner here. Where? At Brady's restaurant. And the finest chap, finest means fine, fine of finest, superlative degree, okay. Finest chap, chap means human being, person. And here that stranger is speaking, my friend Jimmy Wells, my best friend, and he is the most fine, he is the finest person in the world. It means here the friend is giving high estimation of his friend, finest chap in the world, and according to him his friend is the best person in the world. We were both born and brought up here in New York, and he and his friends Jimmy Wells. Listen, here there are three characters. One is the stranger, police officer, Jimmy Wells, okay. Jimmy Wells is not physically present, only his name is there, and the name is being spoken by that stranger, okay, the man who was waiting for his friend, understood. And the police officer is the audience, he is only listening to that stranger. And here that man is speaking that I and Jimmy Wells, we have taken birth here in New York and brought up here. Brought up means what? To take care so that they can grow. So they both have taken birth in New York, and with the flow of time they grew up in New York only, just like two brothers. And how were they living? They were just living like two brothers, okay. I was 18 and Jimmy was 20, and then he is speaking, I was 18 means the stranger was 2 years junior to Jimmy Wells, and Jimmy was 20 years old, understand. So here the stranger is speaking, giving an account of his friend to the police officer, and he is speaking that my friend, my best friend was the best person in this world. I was 18 years old and my friend Jimmy was 20 years old, but still even when we are friends, we are just living like two brothers, understood it. Then what is written? The next morning I was to start for the west to make my fortune, and here I had to start for the west. West means what? Here it is referring to the western part of the country, okay. So on that day they did take their dinner together, because on the very next day the stranger had to start his journey to the western country, so that he can struggle for his life and he can make his own fortune. Jimmy was a hummingbird. Hummingbird means what? A homesick person, one who can't be away from his home for a long period of time, okay. And here the stranger was speaking that his friend Jimmy Wells was a homesick person. You could not have dragged Jimmy out of New York, and at any cost you can't bring Jimmy out of New York. For Jimmy Wells, New York is the best place to live, okay. New York is his complete world. He thought it was the only place on earth. And what was Jimmy Wells thinking? He was thinking that New York is the single place which is present in New York, understood it. And well, we agreed that night that we would meet here again exactly 20 years from that date and time. Then on that very day they did decide, suppose look, today is 12th. Today whatever the date is, suppose today is 12/12/20. It means next when you are going to meet? 12/12/40. Okay, understood? It means exactly after 20 years. Got my point? It means listen, the stranger and Jimmy Wells, they did take their dinner at Brady's restaurant, and on that very day they did decide that after 20 years they will meet once again, because on the next day onwards they are going to make their own fortune, and Jimmy had to be in New York because for him New York is the only place and he doesn't want to come out of New York, but that stranger, he wanted to go to the western part of the country in order to make his fortune, understood. So on that very day they did decide that on the same date, means after 20 years, by the exact time, by 10:30, okay, by 10:30 they will meet once again. Listen, here one thing let me tell you, the stranger was speaking that 20 years might means they will meet, though he has not spoken by 10:30, but he has spoken by will meet, it means by 10:15 also that man was waiting for his friend, and this police officer was thinking of 10:30, it means there might be some link, some connection in between these two, okay. So the man was waiting for his friend. And exactly 20 years from that date in time, no matter what our condition might be or from what distance we might have to come, then the stranger is speaking to the police officer that we had decided that whatever the condition might be, whatever the distance that we have to cover, but on this particular date, on this particular time, we have to meet each other. We will not take any excuses. At any cost, we are going to meet. Okay, it means here, listen, one thing is proved, the stranger was a faithful friend. He came to meet his friend at any cost because he was living in somewhere else. But still, he came to meet his friend. He wanted to keep the appointment. And we felt that in 20 years, each of us would have had his career made and got what life had to give. And then he is thinking that, we are thinking that if in these 20 years, we have got whatever was there for us in our destiny. Means they have definitely made their career, they have definitely made their future, and right now they are going to meet, and they have not seen each other since last 20 years, and after 20 years they are going to see one another. Okay, it sounds pretty interesting, said the policeman, and after listening the story, the policeman is speaking, really? Wow, it sounds pretty interesting. It's quite a very good story, quite interesting story, because you have come to keep an appointment which was fixed before 20 years. People used to forget the appointment which is being fixed before 2 days only, but you have come here to keep the appointment that was fixed before 20 years. Rather a long time between meets, it seems to me, and I think this is a very long time to meet. Means since a number of years you have not seen each other. Haven't you heard from your friend since you left? But is not there any contact in between you two people? Have not you heard your friend after your departure? Understood? It means the police officer was also curious to know more on the friend, more on Jimmy Wells, because the stranger was giving high estimation of his friend. At the same time, he also proved that he himself is a very good friend because he has come to keep the appointment which was fixed before 20 years. And now the police officer is asking and speaking that it's quite good because he can see that a person is standing in front of him who has come to keep the appointment which was fixed before 20 years. Okay, understood it? This much will be taught to you in this class. Okay, if you have any doubt, you just ask me. Thank you. Have a nice time.